We've come a long way together. In episode 1, you learned that not auditing your energy is like building a house with vibes instead of measurements. In episode 2, you learned that cheap components silently destroys your system that costs you hundreds of thousands of naira. Here we are on the final episode of our educational series. I am going to say something that might sting just a little. Most times, it's actually you. Not entirely, but partially. But that is the most fixable part of the problem. Solar system is not a license to consume without thinking. It is a system that rewards discipline. Here is what smart energy management looks like. Run heavy loads during peak solar hours from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Turn on your ACs, your washing machines, your pumping machines, and your water heaters during the day and not at night. Because this is when your panels produce maximum power. Stagger your appliances. By this, I mean, do not run your irons and your electric kettles all at the same time. Your system has a peak load limit. When you exceed this limit, it tends to trip off. Nighttime is battery time. At night, everything runs on stored battery power. The more energy you draw at night, the less power you have to use in the morning. Know your numbers. What is your inverter capacity? What is your battery's usable capacity? These are the rules of the game you signed up for. In this industry, too many installers hand over systems the way a car dealer hands over keys without explaining the dashboard. Your inverter can only handle X watts at a time. Do not exceed it. Your batteries should not go below 20%. It kills the lifespan. On cloudy days, your power generation drops. Plan for it. If your system is designed for a certain amount of load, do not exceed it. But when you do, inform your installer so that your system can be resized for it to perform effectively. Solar fails not because the technology is bad, but because of a chain of mistakes such as no energy audits, wrong system sizing, cheap or mismatched components, poor installation, no energy management discipline, and zero handover education. Fix any of this problem and your experience improves. Fix all of them and solar becomes everything you were promised: clean, reliable, and cost-saving. The sun is not the problem. It has never missed a day of work in the history of this planet. The question is everything around it set up to receive what it's offering? Because you actually deserve a system that works. Let e-Phaim Energy take care of your solar needs today.